Hey, this is a Mathketeer here to show you how to factor trinomials where a is greater than 1. Standard form for a trinomial is ax squared plus bx plus c. We're going to need to set up two parentheses after we find the multiples of c that when combined equal b. I have four examples here to help illustrate. Example 1, we have 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. So we'll set up our two parentheses. We're going to put 3x at the beginning of one parentheses and x at the beginning of the other, because 3x times x is 3x squared. Now we need to find multiples of negative 5 that when combined with 3x and x will give us negative 2x. So it's either going to be negative 5 positive 1 or 5 and negative 1. We need to figure out which combination is going to work for us. Okay? If I put 3x minus 1 and x minus 5, that will not give us negative 2. If I do 3x minus 5 and x plus 1, when I FOIL or do the outside and inside, we do 3x times 1 is 3x. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. When we combine those two, we come up with what we're needed, negative 2x. For number 2, we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. So inside our parentheses, we're going to start with 2x and x. Now the only multiples that are going to give us negative 9 are going to be positive 3 and negative 3. So we need to figure out if the negative 3 goes after 2x or if the negative 3 goes after the x. Since we want a positive 3, we're going to want the positive 3 to go after the x and the negative 3 to go after the 2x. Because when we do the outside and the inside, we have 2x times positive 3 is 6x, and then x times negative 3 is negative 3x. When combined, will give us positive 3x. For example number 3, we have 3x squared minus 8x plus 4. Our two parentheses, 3x in one parentheses, x in the other. Now if we have positive 4, the only two ways to get this would be negative 4, negative 1, 4, 1, negative 2, positive 2, positive 2. Since we are looking for negative 8, we're going to have to use all negative numbers. So it's going to be negative 2 and negative 2, 3x minus 2 and x minus 2. For example number 4, we have 5x squared plus 19x plus 12. So we'll start with our parentheses, 5x and x. Since 19 is positive and 12 is positive, we're going to want only positive factors of 12. Either 6 and 2, 4 and 3, 12 and 1. We need to figure out which one of these factors when combined with 5x and x will give us 19. And with a little bit of experimentation, right, if we did 5x times 6, that would give us 30. That would not work. 5x and 2 on the outside and x and 6 on the inside would give us 16. Close, but not quite what we're looking for. 5x and 3 on the outside and 4 on the inside would give us the 19 that we're looking for. So we're going to write 5x plus 4 and x plus 3. And that would be the solution for this particular factoring problem. So in factoring trinomials where a is greater than 1, it is going to require some experimentation after you set up your parentheses when finding multiples of c that equal b when combined with both the a multiples and the c multiples. I am the Mathketeer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Let me know what you think.